2022 has been an interesting year for all of us. Not only for us at SDEC, but I think for the PV market as a whole. If you look to the current markets around us, so not only our home market in the Netherlands, but every country in Europe has exploded, has high requests of installations. That's been driven, of course, due to the high energy prices, but also to the ambition that we have as a European Union to have a higher number of renewables. That also has impact for us as a manufacturer. So what does that mean for SDEC? It means that SDEC as a mounting system supplier need to be able to ensure products which are quick and easy to install, because the quicker and easier it is to install, the more installations we can do as an installer in the field. We not only see that on our pitch roof solution, the ClickFeed Evo, but the same philosophy we also use in our flat pack Wave, where we can ensure quick and fast installations into the megawatt range. To sum it all up, SDEC is well positioned to continue to support the PV professional in the current exploding demand, not only now, but also in the years to come.